Hey, what's up, everyone? This is the watch list video for Halloween for Monday, October 31st. SPY, really nice move, especially when you consider the gap down in Amazon and the recent weakness in Google and things like that. The market's actually pretty impressively strong. Kind of looked like it was rolling over on Thursday. So, a couple hat tips. Whoops. GILD, Gilead. Nish in the chat. Called this through 75.25. I'll show you the setup. And I'll scroll over. You can kind of see what it looked like. The early high, 75.31. Came up here on this candle, 75.27. He called it back through 75.25, by the way, and then broke the high of day and went all the way. Just almost just never looked back. Pretty nice call. I gave Apple, and this is after missing the big early run, right? So I missed all of this. I was bidding on a pullback here, but didn't get it. So then I called it FI's buy zone here below 155, and it went down to 154.75. Bounced right off the 520. So anywhere around the 154.80 area, and you still had a nice move. That's after that big move, all the way to 157.50. So a neat little pop there, a neat little pullback entry there in the FI's buy zone. Gave, I don't know, almost $3 a share on probably 50 cents risk. Actually closer to 30 cents risk the way we play those. So anyway, there's a couple highlights from the chat room. The market, again, impressive. I'm going to leave Apple on the screen for a second because definitely want to watch that one for a continuation on Monday. If you're brand new to my videos, just make sure you understand I am talking about day trades. I'm in cash every night, so none of this is investment advice. Try to find charts that should be give hopefully intraday setups that I can make some cash on as the day unfolds and then get back to cash at the closing bell. It's the way I've traded for years. Gilead, G-I-L-D, I already talked about Nish's call on that one. Big breakout there. We're going to see if that gives any kind of follow-through setup. With that big of a breakout, should probably be on watch for several days. Google had on bounce watch on Friday. It did have a nice bounce, and just looking for that bounce to continue if the market strength continues. GameStop, GME, is kind of subtle, but you've been sideways for about a month and a little bit of extra volume and trying to break above recent highs here. So maybe a follow-through day on Monday. I'm going to put Shopify on watch, SHOP. Big, strong day on Thursday. Kind of a quiet day on Friday, looking for this one to continue higher. Excuse me. And then Pinterest had a nice gap up. I'll show you the intraday. Kind of, broke the early high, but then just rolled over, but ended up closing strong. So this one may continue on Monday. HTCR had the big pop on Thursday, quiet inside day on Friday, but went out close to its highs. I'm putting that on long watch. QNGY, 106 million shares traded. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Big pop. Went from $1.81 to $4.49 before settling at $3.30. Definitely want to keep that one on watch after that move and that volume. MGNX, it's kind of loosely flagging here after the big breakout. Want to watch that one. TDOC is Teladoc. Had the gap up on Thursday, closed near the lows, but then starting to already catch some upside momentum back on Friday. I'm putting that on a long watch. And then kind of a sleeper pick, Tilray, one of the pot stocks, had the big pop back here, came back down, but from here it's kind of doing a little cup and handle thing. If the pot stocks go, I like the look of Tilray here, TLRY. We'll add other gappers in the pre-market and hopefully find plenty of trades this week. And I'll see everybody on Monday morning.